Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Friday to you. Happy Friday. It is Friday, November, what is today? 19th already. Wow. We are heading into Thanksgiving week here. So hope everybody has plans for Thanksgiving. Hope you've made plans for dinner. If you need us to make dinner for you, please call right away and we will get you on the list. Let's see, am I live yet, anybody? I don't seem to, people are joining, I just don't see who they are. There we go, hello Ellen. Thank you everybody for joining me. I am live, am I live? I am live, awesome. Thanks everybody, happy Friday to you. I am going to be making a bourbon bee today, but before Marcus wants to be in my video. You want to be in my video?
No.
So why are you asking to be in my video? Bring them on camera. You want to be on camera? Marcus wants to be the guest bartender today, since he would love to make this drink today, right, Marcus?
I'll make a Negroni.
He'll make a Negroni. So let's see. Happy Friday to you. It is rainy and cold out there, so be careful out on the roads. I thought I saw some snow flurries. I'm not super happy about that, but I think I saw some snow flurries a little while ago. And so be careful out there driving. It's windy, but come to Aroma Time for dinner tonight. We are open. We are open this weekend. We open today at 5, Saturday and Sunday at 3, and Monday at 5, and then we're closed Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we're open for Thanksgiving for takeout only, but it is pre-order only, so please make sure you call ahead of time. Monday night we have our wine dinner. It's 4 wines in a dish for $29. We have, what else do we have next week? Anything? We have a beer dinner the following week. We'll be doing a beer dinner, so rare craft beers, vintage craft beers. Also 4 beers and a dish for $29. I think it's the 29th. I'm trying to think. I think that's it. That's it for the week. Our $9.99 special from now until Monday is our barbecue chicken pizza. That is available to go for $9.99. And we have our regular menu available as well. Hello, Terry. Hello, Ellen. Hello, Denise. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I had a busy day today. I was asked to be on a mastermind call, so I just got off of that. It's women entrepreneurs. And so that was pretty exciting. I was on a call with women from all over the country. So that was really exciting. I'm super excited about learning more from other people and expanding my horizons, and so that was really cool. All right, so today, bourbon bee. So I'm gonna put ice in my shaker. Oh no, I'm not gonna put ice in my shaker yet. I am going to add a little bit of honey. Let's see if we can get this to come out. All right, so typically the bee is made with gin. What do they call it? Bee's knees, but this is called bourbon bee. So I'm adding about a half an ounce of honey, and I'm going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Mackenzie bourbon. Mackenzie bourbon is from the Finger Lakes, from Finger Lakes Distilling. Love them up there. They're doing an awesome job. I'm going to add Zamaro. You can use Campari as well. We're going to be using Zamaro. I'm going to add about a half an ounce of Zamaro, if I can open it. Half an ounce of Zamaro. It's a bitters. So it's got some bitter in there, some cinnamon, clove. Thank you everyone for watching me. I have lemon juice. We're going to add about 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice and about an ounce of pineapple juice. And I'm going to shake this up because I like to mix the honey in there. Then I'm going to add my ice. All right, now I'm going to shake it with my ice. Get it nice and cold. And get my cap off there. I need a rag. And then I'm going to add ice to my glass. And I'm going to pour my bourbon bee I was gonna say bee's knees, bourbon bee's knees, but it's really bourbon bee into my glass. I don't know. What should I add on here? Let's add a dried orange, because I think, look, it's such a beautiful color. I'm gonna add a dried orange right on top there, and there you have it, bourbon bee. Let's go ahead and taste. Ooh, it's a little strong, but it's really good. I love bourbon. I don't know if anybody out there loves bourbon. I love bourbon. I drink a lot of bourbon these days. I like Negroni. I like, not Negronis, Manhattans. So thank you everybody for joining me. I don't have as many people on today. It's Friday. People are probably out drinking already. If you are out drinking, tell me what you've got in your glass. Hello, Susan. Thank you for joining me. Cheers, and hope everybody has an awesome weekend. If I can get on this weekend, I will. I'll do a Facebook Live at some point, maybe this weekend. If not, I'll be back on Monday. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. Get out there, get a hike, get a walk in, a bike ride. It's a little cold for bike ride. Marcus would be crazy enough to do a bike ride. Hello, Michael. Thank you everybody for joining me, and hope you have a awesome day and weekend. Cheers.